Reality check man from your device, you know, say Aromatic Realistic TV. Anyway, this morning I'm coming to you from a different version. And this morning I'm coming to you from Take Painting. Here and now. Don't look on this, you know, as hype or boast, you know. See, but just look on this as a motivation. And tell yourself as a Jamaican, if you believe in a hard work and discipline, you can make it, brother. Hard work, discipline, focus, physically and mentally, you can make it. Because what you're searching for within you is the true identity. And at all times, to bring the best version of yourself in whatever engagement you are taking part in. Always remember that. Just if you tell yourself you're going to hard work and you're determined and focused and committed and put some sacrifice into that, all is possible, brother. All is possible, brother. That's what I mean. When we start with journey, 9 years ago, almost a decade now, we have seen impossible. But I believe in myself. And I believe at all times to bring out the best version of me in anything that I do. Some people may say, boy, you're perfectionist. If that's what you want to call it, that's fine with me, bro. But all I know, at all times, I want to bring the true version of me. The true definition of me at all times. And it's to sell the quality that I possess. The humble beginning. And the way how the iron brought up. Low income family. So let's say from the garrison. But we never make that set with back. Because it's not where you're from, you know. It's the mentality. So if you tell yourself some boy you're from the garrison and you want to lay low and you want to go boss it, or you want to go rob, or you want to go kill, or you want to thief, that's the version that you want of you. But if you're from the garrison and you tell yourself some boy I'm going to work hard, you know, and dedicated to whatever I apply myself to bring the true version of me at all times, you will get that side. So we run past negativity and we are dealing with positivity at all times. So as I said this morning, don't think that I'm bragging or I'm boasting of my accomplishment. No man don't know the journey. No man don't know the journey. We have to underbid some work, take some work cheap. We don't make no money off of the work. Sometimes they lose. Just to put your name out there. Because at the end of the day, the quality that you possess will sell you in the long run. The quality that you possess in your work, the small details that you take the time out to make sure so then things they get done. At the end of the day, them things that make your work, great. So I look on this as no bragging or no boasting, man. I mean, I'm brand on Louis V, you know. No Gucci, you know. No Christian Dior, you know. No Burberry, you know. No Michael Kors, you know. A double T, you know. See it up on the front, double T. Take painting. So me not there the brag or the boss. Me I do something. Come on, inspire somebody. But watch this. A youth where they come from the garrison. A youth where they come from the rubble. They come from the trenches, the gutter. What society write off and say, me, that boy I never come to nothing. But I stand tall today and prove them wrong. Because your concept of me, I won't make that be my reality. So you can continue living your delusional mind. Because I will never fall for that. I will never lay low for that. To make your concept of me be my reality. So that was found, brother. We just have to give thanks for our accomplishment and know say hard work and dedication. Because when people write we have just a nah man, I mean create you know. Them not see the best version of you yet, man. Just wait. And we're going to manifest it. That's what I mean. Stand tall to the man, take painting man, to the world man, globally man. When me I build this 2014 up, me listen Chronics so till me and Chronics alone. Me listen Jack yours so till yo, me I tell you. Chronics and Jack Yor was my company, keeping me on the job sites. It was just me alone and Almighty God and the universe. Listen, Chronics and Jack Yor. So nobody can tell me nothing about Chronics and Jack Yor. Big man thing. D Brown. Cocoa Tea. Sugar Miner. Me listen to them man that right through motivate me on the job side. And me alone out there the bill it. The grind man a bill it. You see what I mean? So, what a man go say now and what a man go do, he can't break me that. My sweat and tears and hard work. And me build this dog. Me not build this with no guy. Me alone build this. When it's sour like a lime. When it's sour like a cherry meal. Me alone. If it big for cheap work. Underbid. Undervalue the work. Just to send myself out there on the road. Because I know when time I put my work out there is a different thing. Yeah, man, it's a different thing, man. My work speak volume of me, man. So if you don't have money, don't call me. Because I will not lower my standard. I will not lower my value to accommodate you. So if that's be the case, I don't think Tate Paint is the right painting for you. Me do it, brother. You can do it too. I just want to take a walk through with you know. This is my latest project that I'm on right now, this Sunday morning as I sit down and do this video. I think today is what, the 16th of July. Go and do a walk around with them. I'm going to see what I talk about. Because you must make your work sell you. You must make your work sell your product. My work sell my company. That's how I think said. God and good road. So, tell some people sometime, when you see we sit down and we are doing video, run with video. We do with video because of injustice. What they take place in our country under the Andrew Holness-led administration, where they rob up everything out of Jamaica. And the poor people, them not have nothing. Because me can speak of me, you know. Jamaica not give me nothing in life, you know. One, it is my birthplace. I did not get the opportunity. The opportunity wasn't there, it was scarce. There's no resources, so I have to force to take on and go abroad. And the go abroad, me just discipline, focus, build my brand, build my company. That's what I mean. We're there today. Me no want for my youth and for my grandpenny them have to run away from Jamaica to do the same thing what me do. Jamaica is full of resources, but it only does go to one set of people, and it's a criminal politician them. So when me have burn injustice, when me have burn corruption, when me have burn our thief, and they tell them say Andrew Holness is one of the thiefest prime minister Jamaica ever have. And me not say that, me not say that with no apology. No apology. So when you know run come up and no attack, you remember we not there on the same level. Me tell you once and me tell you twice. We not there on the same level. The playing field may level, but you have different skill set of players. Some of the players them on the team no good, no at all. So some of the time you know if you just keep on them out and easy. Because I know enough about Buckler to come out here and waste time. You don't have nothing. So you don't care if Jamaica wreck or mash up, you know. Because you don't have nothing to go home back to, you know. So you know, okay. And all right, yeah man, bro God this and bro God that. So what I mean? We're not bow to no God on earth, man. That's what I mean. We're not bow to no God on earth. And that may I tell some people. So no, don't try to come size up and level up. Don't try to size up and level up around here. Because the thing not normal, the thing global. The thing global, the thing not normal. The thing not normal, the thing global. So me I say, no, don't try to level up around here. It take me years to build this teeth painting and see me at today. See me at today. We think not normal. So when you hear me attack, now come size up or come try level up. Because I say the playing field may be flat, but there is different skill set of players. Some of the players them on the team not good. Them go there to make up numbers. So when we are burn injustice and we are burn corruption and we are burn out Andrew Holness and the administration what they rip and mash up Jamaica. Don't go hold in the corner. I'm telling you, we don't use social media to make money. You know. We just use social media to burn corruption and burn injustice. Because if you use social media and tell someone if you send $10 come give me and send someone if you send $20 come give me and send that to me cash up or me Zelle, God would have charged me and take away my blessing. So me no want no support from no guy. Because my thing not normal, my thing not lily. So when you hear man attack a man, they do them video and attack on the wall because me I fight for me youth there. And my grandpitney there. What do come? And them me I fight for. So you just back up when you hear man attack. That's what I mean. When you don't know the things that Aromatic Realistic TV. When you don't know. Aromatic Realistic TV. Follow me over YouTube. You just hope me can inspire some youth down a yard. You know, say, listen me, the struggling might be rough and tough. But try to get away from out of the slum. That's what I mean. Try figure a way how to get out of the slum. Because the opportunity, the everywhere, brother. You have to just have a mind frame to know, say, listen me, I'm not in the fast lane. I go work hard, work smart. Discipline, brother, discipline. Discipline and build a thing. 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, sometimes it look like nothing on go on, brother. Look like nothing on go on, no money on make, brother. But you have to just stay the course because business is all about long term. Watch that. Yes. Success we are reap, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, we don't watch people, you know. Some people go see this and say, "I boss, my boss, you know." We not boast, man. We don't go on this to inspire someone to know, say, no matter where you come from, them write you off and say you come from the squalor, the mud, the trench, the gully, the gutters. And you not fi come to nothing because you're worthless, underprivileged. I saw them style way. But yeah, rise to the occasion because I know where you come from, you know, where you go, you know. And as I said, I believe in hard work, focus, dedication, determination, and discipline along the way. And humble. And do what? Humble. Wise as a serpent. And armed like a dove. Aromatic to the world. Yeah, man, that's so it's a man. Don't play with it. Eh? Man!